only pretty ring time, birds sing a ling, sweet lovers love that spring. Okay, excuse my terrible voice, but name that movie. First of all, I just want to say welcome if you are new here, and this is a collab video, so there is a good chance that you may be new. So I wanted to introduce myself, I wanted to thank you for being here, all of the things. But my name is Celeste Thomas. I'm a registered nurse and holistic skincare expert, and I love to share Eat2Glow recipes, product reviews, skincare tutorials, all the things to just make you feel glowy and skin confident. And I'm just really happy to have you here. I hope you stick around and watch the video because it is a good one. I obviously had a second matcha today, so I am feeling ready to go. I am energized. I'm ready to share a very exciting first collaboration with my girl Behringer. She is my TikTok queen. I love her content. She is my favorite vegan food blogger, TikToker, YouTuber. So we decided to come together to share with you two delicious lemon recipes that you can make for breakfast. They're all vegan, they're gluten-free, they're good for you, they taste amazing, and they're easy. So if you're looking for something to spice up your spring, look no further than the contents of this video. And stay to the end because we are doing an amazing giveaway for you loves. So if you want to win lots of good stuff so you can make all of your own delicious lemony spring recipes, don't miss that. Okay, so I wanted to tell you a little bit about what makes lemon Eat2Glow, because you come to me for the skincare facts, not just recipes. So I wanted to share a little bit about the benefits of lemon that you're going to be enjoying in today's lemon bar smoothie. Lemon bar smoothie, okay? Okay, and before I move on, actually Behringer is making a lemon blueberry muffin. That's her recipe. How beautiful is that? So make sure, no matter what point you exit this video, if you're bored of me, go to her channel, check out her lemon blueberry muffin YouTube video recipe because I need to make them. They look so, so delicious. But back to the lemons. Well, I should just really, you think I could do, nope. She tried too hard. Okay, back to what I'm good at, the lemon facts. So lemons are nature's superfood. They're definitely underrated. The important thing about enjoying a lemon is you want to enjoy the whole thing. So we're going to be using the whole lemon in this smoothie recipe. I know, sounds weird, sounds crazy, but trust, it is actually delicious and you're gonna be getting lots of benefits. So obviously lemon, vitamin C, immune health, great for COVID times, but also vitamin C, antioxidant that protects the skin, fights free radical damage, prevents premature aging, pretty much all the skin things you want. Then it also has fiber. So if you eat the pith, which is the white part, which you will be in the smoothie, and you have a little bit of zest, again, which you'll have in the smoothie, you're gonna get tons of fiber. You're also gonna be getting minerals, calcium, potassium. You're also gonna be getting hydration from the juice of the lemon. So we're gonna add this all in a blender, a few other ingredients. You're gonna absolutely love it. Okay, there's the movie magic for you, and I have all of the ingredients for the smoothie. And I have a KitchenAid blender. I apologize for how dingy this looks. I do not have a dishwasher, and I'm sorry, no matter how much I tried to clean this thing, it just doesn't look sparkling. So stay tuned till November when we have the new place, we'll have a dishwasher, everything will be looking bright and shiny, but until then, bear with me. And I love this blender. It's not a Vitamix, it's more affordable, but it has served me so well for 7 years. 7 years of daily use. This thing is so amazing. So I will link that for you. And then we're gonna go with our ingredients in a really specific way to maximize your blend and also make it easier to blend. So the first thing I want to start with is oat milk, and this is Good Milk Co. It doesn't have any preservatives, it doesn't have any additives, it has like dates and sea salt, and this is one thing that's really, really important for your Eat2Glow smoothie. Check the ingredients of your plant-based nut milk alternatives. You don't want any sugars or inflammatory oils, and that's one thing that I've been talking to my clients a lot about because those will make you break out. So what's the use of a beautiful lemon Eat2Glow smoothie when you're gonna screw it up with all of those nasty additives? So you're gonna do a half cup of this. This is when I get my measuring cups out, like I was supposed to have. You know, I'm organized, but I much prefer to just groove with you and have it be more realistic. Like we're just hanging out, you're over at the house, I'm making you a lemon bar smoothie, we're hanging out. Okay, half cup of this milk. Cool. Then we're gonna do flax. I like this golden flaxseed because it keeps this smoothie color yellow. I love a bright yellow smoothie. And if you do chia, it's a little bit more dirty looking. So I'm just trying to find ingredients that keeps this looking really bright and spring-like, because aesthetic does matter and you eat with your eyes first. So I wanna make it pretty for you, loves. Ooh, and while we're doing this, it's almost my birthday month, May, and that means I would like a gift from you. And the only gift I want from you is if you watch these videos, if you enjoy them, even with my at times sporadic posting schedule, which I promise to get better about, I would really appreciate a subscribe, and then you know when new videos come out so you can get your skin boosting glow on a little bit faster. And I actually think it would be so fun to get to know you a little bit better. And what might be really fun is if you could comment your astrological sign, because obviously I'm a Gemini, we're talking about my birthday, so I'd love to know what your astrological signs are. I absolutely love astrology, it's so fun for me, and I wonder if there's any common air sign themes, because I feel like we're drawn to one another. So maybe, baby, that's true. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of organic stevia drops. You don't have to add this, but I want it to be a little bit sweeter since we're doing a lemon bar smoothie. These ones are great. I'm gonna link them below. Not all stevia is created equal. This one's Now Foods. I'm gonna do 5 drops. Wunderbar. And this is the first smoothie recipe in a long time that's more of a traditional smoothie and not a smoothie bowl. I make a ton of smoothie bowls, so this is a little bit different in a really fun way. Now we're gonna add some protein powder. This is from Vega. I don't always use this one, but if you are vegan, I'm not vegan, but I support all you vegans out there, and any Behringer fam who are here, I see you, I support you, I wanna make this vegan. This is a really, really good option, so I will link this below as well. And this is the vanilla, so I wanna keep the vanilla vibes going and just give it more of that dessert flavor while still being really healthy. So you're gonna add 1 scoop of the protein powder. Perfect. And now it's time for the piece de resistance, the lemon. So these are the lemons. They are peeled, they are cut in half, they are frozen, they are also de-seeded. And I just like doing this because it adds a really nice consistency. It's really cold, it's perfect for spring. I love my smoothies to be kind of icy. So freezing this fruit, which lemons are fruits, is a way to do that. But you do want to take the seeds out so that you don't get that bitter element. And you want to leave on the pith, that's the white part, and it actually gives you more of a creamy consistency and a lot of minerals. So peel them, save the peels so you can zest later, or if you bought 18 million lemons for your YouTube video like I did, you can zest from another lemon. So I'm gonna add these in, and then I'm also gonna add in, did I say that was 1.5 lemons? Because that's important. 1.5 lemons. If that's too bitter for you, you can go to 1, but I actually think you're really gonna love it. Then I'm gonna add a half cup of ice. And we should be good. I might have to add a little bit more of the oat milk, just depending on the consistency that I'm feeling of the day, but that's pretty much it. So let's blend this baby up. All right, 3/4 cup. That's what it needs, 3/4 cup. She's a Gemini, she doesn't measure. She pretty. Not gonna lie, there still is a little bit of brown from the flax seeds, but it still has to be a functional Eat to Glow smoothie. It's not just for a yellow aesthetic, and oh my god. Okay, you ready? Holy shit. That is so good. I tested it earlier, obviously, but the 1.5 lemons really did it. Oh my god, that is so good. You're gonna love this. Wow, okay, I'm gonna have this every single day. So these are these really cute beer glasses inspired by JC Marie Smith, another TikTok YouTube queen. Just me trying to hang out with the kids, be cool. wear my wide leg jeans. But hey, you get inspo where you get inspo. So she had these glasses. They're beer glasses, but I don't use them for beer. I use them for smoothies. I use them for matcha. They're so pretty, so affordable, and then I also got little matching glass straws to go with. So super cute. I will link all of those so you can prime them. They're super affordable. And then your smoothie will look chic. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so, so good. Yes! Texture. Am I right? Oh my gosh. I've been wanting like a summery slush situation, and this is heaven. Heaven. And it's the perfect amount for this cup. Wow, we did so good. So, so good. I'm so proud of us. And now, what we're gonna do, piece de resistance style moment, is we are going to top it with some cocoa, which I love, and I love to get cocoa in every single day as my probiotic. I like real food fermented stuff as my probiotic versus taking a pill because it saves you so much money, it's tasty, and it's really bioavailable when you're eating real food versus who knows whether or not your probiotic is bioavailable. Unless you use Ancient Nutrition, I absolutely love that one. I'll also link that. Huge component to skin health is gut health. Blah, blah, blah. Anywho, okay. Fancy straw, which I had one over here. Ooh, yep, still got it. Okay. It's just me here, so get your water in, loves. Okay, add the straw. I mean, this texture is everything. Now I'm gonna cut a wheel of lemon. This looks like a beautiful, this is giant actually. Is there a smaller one? Yeah, this will be more aesthetically pleasing. Go for an organic lemon, especially if you're using the zest and you're putting the direct lemon into your smoothie, because you don't want a real pesticide coated lemon. Let's hope this one doesn't have a lot of seeds. Ooh, she's a beauty. Yes, girl. Before I forget, now that the smoothie is almost done, I want to talk to you about the giveaway. So Behringer and I wanted to hook you up with just a means to create your beautiful smoothie. So we're giving you a Thrive Market year membership, which is like a $60 or $65 value, and then a $50 gift card to use wherever you want to buy your ingredients. So Thrive is really amazing. This is not sponsored, but hey, open to it. I've been a Thrive member for I think 2 years now, and it really is the most affordable place to buy all of your bulk stuff. You can buy this protein powder there. They have flax seeds, they have chia seeds, they have condiments, they have snacks, like all of your pantry staples that are really healthy at a way cheaper price than health food stores. So I highly suggest it, but why not win? And all you have to do to win is subscribe, and then go to the description, go to one of our Instagrams, and then you'll see this recipe on Instagram with the instructions, but it's just subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, and then you just have to comment on the giveaway post so we know it's you, and someone will win. So I really hope you enter. People are always shocked when they win, but I'm like, hey, we pick real people, so definitely enter. And also, if you don't follow Behringer yet, she is so much fun to watch. I mean, I've watched her TikTok go from like, I don't know, like 30,000 to 600,000 over the course of a few months, so she's definitely doing so many things right. Okay, so this is cut. I didn't really need to do this at this stage. Just set that off for later. Then I'm gonna top this with a little bit of cocoa, and I just whipped up my cocoa, which I talked about for probiotics. So it's not quite set yet. It's not gonna be as fluffy and beautiful as normal, but you'll forgive me because we're friends now, and this is just the way we're doing videos. I'm not making it too perfect. We're just experiencing life together. Cocoa, she's a little runny. Do I add it? Do we add it or no? Do I just put zest and coconut on top? Let's add it. That's fine. No one will judge me. It'll just be like a little float of cocoa. See, normally it's like more whipped, but that's okay. Cocoa might just float to the bottom, or sink, not float to the bottom. That's not a thing. Okay, so we'll add the cocoa. We'll add a little bit of coconut and lemon zest. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. This is already so good. I'm so, so happy with how this turned out. Obviously giving myself a pat on the back. Okay, coconut, a wee dusting. Oh, that's cute, okay. And then we're gonna do lemon zest. And now this is one of the best purchases your girl has ever made. Microplane, get one, feel fancy. It's an immediate feel fancy purchase and it's so cheap. So when you zest a lemon, you only want to zest a little bit in each part, otherwise you get down to that white pith and it's a little bit bitter. And you have enough pith inside of this delicious smoothie, but seriously, my loves, it's so, so good. And I mean, if that's not the prettiest smoothie that I've made in a long time, I don't know what is. Yes! Okay! That makes me so happy. Now do I dare pick it up? Well, there she is, my loves. I definitely hope you try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. And head over to Berenger's channel to check out her recipe and watch her. She's just so hilarious and fun. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope I see you next Tuesday for a very exciting video that is much anticipated. I already have it planned, so I'm gonna make it happen. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you. I'll see you soon.